All right. So this is a little help video, and I'll have a Word document that kind of tries to outline this, but this is how we're going to get, and I'll actually exit out of this real quick. This is how we're going to open data files in throughout the semester. So if you go to the Canvas page, we go to this Files tab, you'll see that I've already got week 1 materials. This first week, I'll be kind of using some of these data sets. This .dta means it's a data file that's only Stata can open. Okay? So we're going to be trying to open that, but if we don't have a program that can open, we don't have Stata downloaded to our computer, it's going to give you the, well, what program do you want to use to open it? And you don't have the program that can. So what we're going to do is use a universal license that the university has. So I'm going to go to, the first thing I'm going to do is go to one.iu.edu. I'm not going to search this first. In fact, it's showing up because I just searched it here, but first you'll search for cloud storage. Click on the icon. You'll see something that looks like this. If you're not logged in, you'll have to log in with your IU credentials, so your email address, passphrase. I think mine's kind of set to, yeah, has it stored, has it saved, so it automatically logs me in. Now I have a green check mark here next to OneDrive IU. What will end up, what you'll originally see, it will look like this. So you need to go to that OneDrive IU dropdown and make sure that you're having it authorized. So that means that Stata can then, and other programs actually that you're using from the next thing we'll talk about, can access files that are on this OneDrive. Okay. So that green check mark is there. So that's good. So the next thing that we're going to do is go back to one.iu.edu and search IU anywhere. Click on that icon. Once again, we're going to have to log in. So notice here's my username, passphrase. I'm now logged into IU Anywhere. So it looks like this. Now, I think if you click on the apps, I forget what it looks like if it's not working. You might not be able to see this. The first thing that you'll need to do is go over to the settings. So I'm already logged in here. So I've got my account settings. We need to make sure that you've got activate this Citrix Workspace app. So I'm going to click on this. I'm going to see this up here. Click on that. Okay, looks like I got to make an agreement. Hit agree, I believe. That should do it. I was gonna say I'm not getting a prompt or anything. So we've got that activated. I'm then gonna go to apps, right? Scroll down here. And where is it at? There we go. Stata SC18 is the universal license that we're gonna be using. We'll kind of click on that drop down, click on open. Citrix is trying to open this program. Wait a little bit. Okay, says it's active. It's trying. I think it opened up on my other. Yeah, it opened up on my other screen. Sorry. So I'll drag it over so you guys can actually see it. So it'll pop this up. I have multiple monitors right now, so it opened up on a different monitor. I had to drag it over. But if you're just on your laptop, it kind of should pop up there. So here's what the program will look like. We've got all the steps to kind of get there. Now I'm going to go to File, Open. I'm going to have to make sure I still let it read and write. Right, so this is where I can open and save files. So I'm going to scroll down here. Okay, I now have this OneDrive IU. If I went through this process and I didn't go to that cloud storage and make sure that this was selected, when I get to that step, actually here, let me pop this up. When I get to that step, I won't see this here. Now, I'm trying to do this from memory, and I can talk to the IT people if we have any problems. I believe some students, based off things they've done for other class, somehow the OneDrive may show up under network. But it should, most of you should have it pop up under kind of your PC. I think this is or Mac. But it may, you have to click on this network to see your OneDrive. But once you have that, you can go to your OneDrive here. Well, we've got a fun little data set here we can open. So I've got some home run derby data. I've got other files as well, but this is going to be different for everyone. It's going to be your OneDrive and how you have it organized. So I'm just going to click on this just to kind of show you. We can then open up that data file. And we'll walk through exactly what these commands and everything are in class, but this is just more of how do you make sure that that one drive is synced up to this program of Stata or synced up to IU Anywhere, however you want to kind of say it through Citrix. So that should be kind of all the steps that you need. If you have any problems, reach out. And kind of, I can try, like I said, contact the IT people and hopefully get a solution.